For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Looking for a toaster oven that can do it all? Let me show you why the TOSHIBA AC25CEW-SS large 6-slice convection toaster oven has completely changed the way I cook at home. This 10-in-1 machine handles toast, bake, broil, pizza, cookies, defrost, reheat, rotisserie, keep warm, and convection. I tried it myself last weekend, baked the 12-inch pizza, and the convection fan cooked it evenly in just 15 minutes. No more uneven crust or soggy spots. The capacity is impressive. It fits 6 slices of bread, casseroles, cookies, or a 4-pound chicken. For my family, it's perfect for preparing multiple dishes at once. The external dimensions are 18.98 inches by 15.59 inches by 10.78 inches, which is roomy but still countertop friendly. Cooking is fast and consistent thanks to the 1500-watt output and convection fan. The temperature adjusts between 150 degrees F and 450 degrees F and holds steady for up to 2 hours. I even roasted a chicken on the rotisserie kit, golden brown skin and juicy inside, just like a restaurant. Operating it is simple with 3 control knobs and high-contrast LCD displays. You can easily select your function, adjust the time, and monitor cooking progress. No guessing needed. It also comes with 6 accessories: a removable crumb tray, rotisserie kit and lifter, baking rack, baking pan, and rack clamp. I've used them all, and having these included made setup and cooking a breeze. Plus, TOSHIBA offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime customer support. I had a quick question about the rotisserie, and their support team walked me through it professionally. That kind of help gives real confidence. In short, the TOSHIBA AC25CEW-SS is a versatile, reliable, and practical countertop oven. Whether it's toast, cookies, pizza, or a full rotisserie chicken, it handles it all. If you want one appliance to simplify your cooking and deliver consistent results, this is the one to try.